One of the first conversations that Mayor Woodfin and I had in City Hall was right after the initial budget did not pass for the first time in the 6 weeks prior to Mayor Woodfin actually being sworn in and having an oath of office. We identified several different things that were things that we both have noticed on the campaign trail, things that the community had wanted for sometimes even decades, but several years, and this is one of them. We went through a lot of different efforts to see a potential use for this site, from 2 different RFPs to engaging Auburn Urban Design Studios to see if there can be any sort of synergy with the site across the street for commercial development. And we ended up at this phase here today. It was a promise that both Mayor Woodfin and myself made to this community to make sure that we will not only tear down this blighted structure, but to take something that is detrimental and taking away from property values in this neighborhood and turning it into a city asset. What the site behind me really represents is decades of neglect from City Hall to the eastern side of Birmingham. And what today shows is that City Hall does care about the eastern side of Birmingham. City Hall does care about this neighborhood and this community, and we will partner with this neighborhood and community, continue to partner with this neighborhood and community to make sure that they get the attention that they need from downtown. So I'm excited that this day has actually happened. I'm excited to be able to have worked through all the different efforts that the mayor's office and my office did to see this day come to fruition. And I want to thank the mayor and his team for all their work on it.